أشهد أن لا إله إلا الله أشهد أن محمدا رسول الله
أسند الأفعال العاتية إلى المتكلم كما هو موضح في المثال. حامد ظن أنا ظننت. حامد thought, I thought. See here, ظن ظن ظنوا ظن ظن ظنوا ظنت ظنت ظنن ظننت ظننتما ظننتم, like ظننت ظننتما ظننتم ظننتي ظننتما ظننتن ظننت ظننا and ظننت I thought. حامد أدى. حامد counted. حامد counted. I أددت. I counted. حامد مر. حامد passed. أنا مررت. I passed. I passed over something. حامد جر. حامد dragged. I dragged. أنا جررت. حامد حج. I did حج. أنا حججت. حامد رد. حامد replied. أنا رددت. I replied. حامد سب. أنا سببت. I abused. I scolded. حامد شم. أنا شممت. حامد sniffed or smelled. أنا شممت. I sniffed or smelled. أنا شممت. This is سميع اسمه pattern. حامد صب. حامد صب. أنا صببت. I poured. حامد poured and I poured. I poured tea, water, etc. حامد مس. حامد touched. أنا مسست. أنا مسست. I touched. أنت تجر. تعمل المثال ثم صغ الأمر من الأفعال الآتية. See the example and then make أمر from the following verbs. أنت تجر. أنت تجر means you are dragging or you will drag. So you have to derive أمر from this. So here it is actually تجر. It was تجر. It's actually rara. If you separate, it will look like this. Tajur. Now you are making it jur. So the meeting of sukun is there. To avoid this falling off one draw, so we give it a fatha. Jurra. Jurra means drag. Jurra means drag. La yaltaqi sakinani. La yaltaqi sakinani. Two sukuns won't meet. Jurra, drag. Tamurru. Tamurru. Marra yamurru, tamurru. The same way, murra. Murra. From tamurru, you pass over something. Murra, pass over something. Pass. Taruddu, rudda. Reply. Tahujju, hujja. Do hajj. Tazunnu, zunna, think. Tasubbu, subba, pour. Ta'uddu, udda, count. Tashammu, shamma. Tashammu, shamma, smell, sniff. Tamassu, massa. Tamassu, massa means touch. يقرأ ما يلي. جر هذا المكتب. Drag this table. Drag this table. جر هذا المكتب. صب القهوة للضيوف. Pour coffee for the guests. عد هذه الكتب. Count these books. شم هذه الزهرة. Sniff this flower. sniff this flower. Now you are going to introduce lam into this mudaf, double verbs. So what will happen? Just see. Yahujju is mudari. You are entering lam yahuj. It will become like this. It's actually lam yahujuj. So if you are introducing lam, so the last letter will have sukun. So again iltika sakinain, mating of two sukuns. So in order to avoid one jim to fall, because it is also having a sukun, so if it is a weak letter it will fall, and since it's a strong letter it should not fall too. So what do we do? Lam yahujja. We are giving fataha to jim. Lam yahujja means he did not do. Lam yahujja, he did not do hajj. لا يلتقي ساكنان في اللغة العربية. تجر, the same way. لا تجر التقاء ساكنين. لا تجر, don't drag. Nahi, don't drag. Now you have to use lam. أجب عن الأسئلة الآتية بالنفي مستعملا لم. Answer the following questions with negative using lam. Hajjajta, did you do hajj? La. Lam ahujja. Hajjajta, la. Lam ahujja. Did you do hajj? No, I didn't do hajj. Listen brothers, here actually hajjajta, you can answer this way too. La ma hajjajtu. But here this question insists to use lam. So we are using la lam ahujja. Adatti hadhihi al-kutuba ya binti. Did you count these books? Oh, my daughter. La lam a'uddaha. No, I didn't count them. Asababta zamilaka hada ya Ali. Did you abuse this classmate of yours? Oh Ali. Zamilaka hada, this classmate of yours. La lam asubbahu. You should use fataha here. Lam asubbahu. No, I didn't scold him, I didn't abuse him. Amarra al mudira. Sorry, cut. Amarra al mudiru ala al fusuli. Amarra al mudiru ala al fusuli. Did the principal pass over the classes as rounds? Amarra al mudiru. Did the principal pass over the classes? Amarra al mudiru ala al fusuli. La. Lam yamurra al mudiru ala al fusuli. No, the principal did not pass over the classes. Lam yamurra. صببت الماء الذي كان في الكوب. Did you pour the water which was in the glass, which was in the cup? Did you pour? لا لم أصب. لا لم أصب الماء الذي كان في الكوب. No, I didn't pour the water which was in the cup. أشممت رائحة كريهة عندما فتحت باب الحمام. Did you sniff the bad smell while you opened the bathroom's door? لا لم أشم رائحة كريهة عندما فتحت الباب. No, I didn't smell the bad smell while I opened the door. أدخل للناهية على الفعل الذي أمام كل جملة. You have to just enter للناهية in the verb given in brackets. Here it is given tasubbu. You have to use للناهية. Don't pour. Don't pour. لا تصب لي مزيدا من القهوة. لا تصب لي مزيدا من القهوة. Don't pour for me مزيدا, more of coffee. That is, don't put more coffee to me. لا تصب. don't think that the exam will be easy. لا تظن لا تظن لا تظن don't think. Don't abuse your Muslim brother. لا تسب أخاك المسلم. Don't count these riyals. لا تعد هذه الريالات بين يدي المصلي. Don't pass over in front of the musalli, that is praying person. Al musalli means the one who prays. Baina yadai means in front of. Don't translate it as in between hands. It is in front of. In front of. That is, don't pass over in front of the praying person. La tamurra. La tajurra sabburata min makaniha. Don't drag the board from its place. La tajurra.
لبيك اللهم لبيك 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 اللهم